Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to real quickly go into the new WorkPro 4-inch pliers wrench. So it's funny because right before I got these, I was actually getting ready to do a pliers wrench video. So I figured I'd just wait until these showed up, and then I'll include these in the video later on when I review all of these. But real quickly, we're going to go over these little guys. I'll share the specs, features, pricing with you guys. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. So I carry primarily miniature pliers. I've tried multiple multi-tools. And while I did carry a Gerber for quite a few years in the military, I found that I prefer to carry a small pair of pliers and a knife. Because 95% of the time when I'm using my multi-tool, I'm either going to it for the knife or I'm going to it for the pliers portion. Very rarely am I using the file or the scissors or the screwdriver. I really don't like using the screwdriver portion of multi-tools on most of them. So I personally prefer to carry just a small set of pliers and a knife. Very simple, yet very handy. So here's a look at the packaging that it comes in. The WorkPro quick adjusting pliers wrench, 4-inch parallel jaws quick adjust. And then here's the part number. This is available in the black coating or the silver. So that's what the two different part numbers are for. So you guys already probably saw the review on the popular Cobra copies from WorkPro. Great, very, very popular set. Very affordable. Once again, this was available in the silver or the black. I've had this set of Knipex for about a year. I've had another set of adjustable Knipex, the older version, for probably close to 8 years or so. I just like miniature pliers. I completely understand miniature pliers are not for everybody. If you don't think you're going to get use out of them, or you just don't use or work on small stuff like that, then don't worry about it. They're probably not for you. But if you find yourself every once in a while needing or using a small pair of pliers, you will be surprised with how often you will actually get use out of small pliers like this. So the actual length is actually closer to 4¼ inches long. The maximum jaw capacity when open is roughly 13/16 or 21 millimeter. I would never be working with a fastener that large with a pair of pliers like this. The chances of me being able to apply enough torque for that. So it is nice having that adjustability, but you know, maybe 1/2 inch is probably also just depending on the type of scenario or situation you find yourself in. About 1/2 inch is about as large as I would go when working with fasteners. Over that, I'm probably not able to break them loose or tighten them to the point to where I'd be happy. But for working with a lot of smaller fasteners, these are fantastic. So whether you go with the black or the silver, there is an anti-rust coating on them to prevent rust and corrosion. The thing I like about the pliers wrench is it uses parallel jaws. So when you're going to grab a fastener, you're grabbing on two of the sides parallel, flat across there. Working with certain fasteners, it's just really nice to be able to grab, and just like any pliers wrench, the amount of force that you have to apply to get such a good bite is amazing. It takes very little effort to keep a good bite or a good grab on a fastener with this design. So there's less damage to fasteners with a design like the pliers wrench over something like the Cobras, just depending on what type of stuff you work on. I also prefer the pliers wrench over adjustable wrenches. There's a lot less fiddling. You just kind of set it to the size that you need. You can rotate and then simply release the handle, go to the next one, release the handle, go to the next one. It's nice that you have just enough movement there to just keep working without having to tighten, loosen. So that's a really nice feature that I really prefer, that makes me prefer the pliers wrench design over an adjustable wrench. The other thing with these is there is a lanyard hole, which, so if you're working up maybe on a high area or something like that, you don't want to drop it, that is a nice feature. You can also use this to hang it up. That's not really something that I would use it for, but it is a nice little touch. It's not in the way or anything like that. You got some grooves in the handle for a little bit of grip. There is not a rubber grip option or anything like that. You do have WorkPro there on the bottom. There's the jaw. The push button with the spring plate on the back for locking it into whatever position you want. Now, if you're not one that would get use out of a 4-inch pair like this, just like many other brands, they do have a 7 and 10-inch pair as well. But these are going to be great for those that like EDC items, whether you want to throw this in an EDC pouch or an EDC bag or range bag. It's also great for like home repairs, sink repairs, bike repair or bike maintenance, small engine repair, metal work, straightening some metal. That's kind of what I use the larger ones for every once in a while. And to just have these in your pocket, they weigh almost nothing. Now, I can actually weigh it for you right now. You hardly even notice they're there. This weighs 2.5 ounces. So they weigh next to nothing. But like I stated earlier, pliers like these are like a multi-tool replacement for me. I would much rather carry something like this or like this than to carry a multi-tool. Don't get me wrong, multi-tools are great. I still keep one in like my to-go bag and range bag and things like that. But on an everyday carry, I prefer something like this over a multi-tool. But once again, I understand that these are not for everyone when it comes to miniature pliers, but they do have their place, and I know a lot of people that do really enjoy them. This was a very popular option, so if you like the pliers wrench or want to try the pliers wrench out, these are very affordable. Just like the Cobra design, these are going to be between $15 and $17. Most of the time, you'll be able to catch them at $15, which I think is fantastic. And I want to say that the silver is probably going to have a little bit smoother action just because of the coating. The black coating it's not rough, it's not. And they definitely lubricate these extremely well. I've wiped this down I don't know how many times. They are lubricated and they still operate really smoothly. But I think the silver coating just has a little bit smoother finish to it. But I just want to let you guys know that. That is a look at the WorkPro 4-inch set of the pliers wrench. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. I will have these linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed, smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.